Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 8. Turning homework in late.
Excuse me, Professor. I have to talk to you about why my homework didn't get done.
What happened that you didn't get it done?
I had to watch a football game instead.
Well, you had more than one day? Couldn't you have fit it in on another day?
Yes, I think so.
Either way, I only allow one missed assignment per semester. When will you be turning the makeup in?
I'll make it up next week.
Fine, but it cannot happen again if you want an A in the class.
Okay, I can do that.
Remember that you are in college now, not high school.
I don't have my homework today.
You usually are good about turning it in. What happened?
I was really sick.
But couldn't you have done it when you felt better?
Yes, I probably could.
You have already missed one other assignment. When can I expect the makeups?
Next class meeting.
That will be soon enough. But make sure you get next week's assignment in as well, alright?
That would work for me.
Good. I know that you are capable of being an excellent student.
Let me tell you what happened to my homework.
Okay, go ahead. What is the excuse this time?
Actually, I did it, but then it got lost.
Could you have gotten it done at another time?
Yes, I could.
You have never missed an assignment before. When will you be making this one up?
I'll make it up early next week.
That would work, but don't let it happen again.
I'll try.
That will solve it then. Let's work hard to not let it happen again. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dance for Young in order to get more video. Thank you.